Hey guys, you're watching Tdevelops, and today I'll be teaching you guys tips and tricks to make your battery, and by battery I mean batteries for smartphones, tablets and even laptop, last longer. Before watching this video, I just want you to know that there is no magical cure for batteries that will make you get an extra 2 hours or a day's usage from a battery that only lasts 2 hours to begin with. Also take note that batteries, especially the ones for smartphones or tablets, generally degrade over time between 2 to 3 years, because after about 400 cycles, a phone's battery capacity will degrade by 20%, and it will only be able to store about 80% of the energy it did originally, and will continue to degrade with additional charge cycles. Having said that, let's go into the video. The first way and the most effective way of getting more juice from your smartphone's battery is by enabling dark mode in the night, especially if your phone supports it. Not only for saving the battery, but it also reduces strain from your eyes, which is a very good thing, especially for people who spend hours and hours on their smartphone. Well, you might be asking me, what if my smartphone doesn't support dark mode? What should I do? Well, there's one thing you can do, which is to reduce the brightness of your phone screen, especially if you're indoor, or use a wallpaper that has lots of dark colors, especially phones that have OLED or AMOLED screens. I will be explaining OLED and AMOLED screen technology in another video, so if you want to see that video when it comes out, click on the like button and smash the subscribe button. The second way, but also an efficient method of saving your smartphone's battery, is by turning off unused connectivity options like the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, location, hotspots, and probably background data consumption. Take note, if you're using a 5G device, it will consume more power than that of a 4G device. Same applies to the 4G device. It will consume more power than that of a 3G device, which consumes more power than a Wi-Fi only device. Running background apps you don't need. Mind you, there is a myth that says immediately you finish using an app, you should close it. Well, this can be good in most cases, but it's not really good to do that, because the smartphone uses more resources, thereby consuming more power in opening an app than leaving it to run in the background. To learn more about battery myths, click on the icon that pops up on the top right hand side of your device. Well, you might be thinking, but why? You just told me to stop closing an app running in the background. Yes, if you're sure you won't open the app for a long time to come, you can close it, or probably set a background app limit on your smartphone, that is, setting the maximum amount of apps that can run in the background. Downloading a battery saver. This is not really advised, because smartphones manufacturers know what they are doing, and they tend to put the battery saver that is best optimized and that will consume less power from the smartphone than third-party apps that really only works for a specific phone that it has been tested to work for. So don't download any battery saving app, it will probably only make matters worse. Finally, do not download third-party launchers for your phone. This is a very broad topic, as in people at times do not like the stock launcher that comes with their smartphone and tend to download third-party apps that has not been optimized with your smartphone. And I don't get why people do this, because it only changes the home screen layout and the icon and probably the notification bar of your smartphone. For example, if you download a launcher for an iPhone and you're using an Android phone, though the icon of the settings app may change, but whenever you click on it, it still opens the settings app for the launcher that came with the phone. And also having two launchers consume more resources from your phone in terms of power and processor speed, thereby your smartphone gets hotter and lags at times. By lag, I mean slows down. And please don't quote me wrong, there are fantastic launchers for Android phones that work well, for example CM launcher, but I don't still get why you would go through the trouble of downloading a launcher that you may later uninstall. Well, if you like this video, click on the like button and comment down below what smartphone related content you want to watch next. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on post notifications, and you will see me not tomorrow but the next day. Peace.